Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech. So today we will talk about Hyper-V. Okay, so first of all, who don't know Hyper-V, so this is the Windows feature that is specifically provided to a platform where you can run multiple variant type of OS in the same hardware operating system. So this is the good feature from Windows, and this is the inbuilt feature. You don't need to download from anywhere or from third-party websites or even from Microsoft. So we just only need to enable virtualization in our operating system and in our desktop or laptop, and we only need to enable this feature from inside the Windows. Okay, so let's start talking about everything step by step, and let's try to fix all issues. So sometimes users talk to me, and sometimes people are just commenting on the videos that how we can install Hyper-V, or sometimes they say that they are not even getting the option to install or enable Hyper-V in their Windows. So let's discuss everything, and this is applicable for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 operating systems, and with the upper level of editions. Okay, so first of all, how would you enable Windows Hyper-V in your OS, right? So before going to the any application based things, you just first need to enable virtualization from Windows, from BIOS, and for doing this you just need to reboot your workstation and then press F5, F11, F9 or F12, and then you will get it. The BIOS are dependent on the company of motherboard. If it is Intel or any other, so you will get different options for just going to the BIOS settings, right? So make sure your virtualization should be enabled from BIOS, and then we can come to the operating system and then start control panel. Okay, so here's the control panel. You can just click on it and then you will come to this page, control panel, and then here we have our option programs. Then click to programs and features, and here is the left side, turn Windows features on or off. See, the things is mentioned as a features. In the pop-up window we have a lot of settings, but actually we need to enable Hyper-V. This is here. Okay, so just expand it and see, I'm showing everything on my virtual machine, and also I have enabled the Hyper-V on this machine, right? So you just need to click on Hyper-V checkbox and then Hyper-V VM management tools. If I just expand both of settings, so here you will get some PowerShell and management tools, and if I expand the below one, here is the two checkbox. First, Hyper-V hypervisor, and second is Hyper-V services. So Hyper-V hypervisor is only in the base of hardware. We can't run hypervisor on any virtual machines. That's why we can't enable. And even if you kiss hover the cursor, you will see the option is Windows Hyper-V cannot be installed, right? And the second is Hyper-V services. Just click on it and click to OK, and you will get one pop-up and see the features will be updated, and after reboot your workstation you will get your Hyper-V installed. You just need to search in the search menu and type Hyper-V, right? You will get it installed. Okay, so this is the thing is clear, and this is the only thing. First, check virtualization in your BIOS, and second, enable the feature from Windows and feature settings. Fine. Now the second thing is, sometimes people are just showing that the option is not showing for them in the Windows features. Let me show you in the same area. See, sometimes people are coming to here and say that this option is even not available for them. Then what is the problem and how they can resolve it? So for this issue, you just need to know what is the capacity and what is the current requirement of Windows operating system and what type of Windows you are using. So for verifying, you just need to go File Explorer and then right click to this PC. Or anyhow, you just need to reach out to about of your Windows, and here you will see the edition, right? It should be above than Windows home. It shouldn't be home, right? So you can use Windows 10 professional, Windows enterprise, anyone, even Windows 7 professional, enterprise, Windows 11, right? But this feature is not enabled for Windows home services. So if you are using Windows Home, you just need to upgrade your OS and then you will get this feature enabled for yourself. Fine. So this is the thing that sometimes people don't know. So you can just understand and check yourself. Now the third thing is that people have already installed hypervisor or Hyper-V on their Windows operating system, but it is not even starting, right? If you just type Hyper-V and if you click here and it is not starting, then what could be the reason? For causing this issue, you just need to figure out what is the hardware you are using. It means if you are using old hardware, more than 5 years old, then you should verify whether any other virtual application is running on your system or not. It means any VirtualBox, any other application shouldn't be running. So this is the main reason behind it, how you can just figure out. Okay, just like see, I'm able to use VirtualBox as well as Hyper-V in Windows 10, but this is not possible for a older version of hardware, right? So you just need to verify these things, and if still not working, then you can just comment me on the video comment section. I will figure out and I will let you know how you can just resolve, because it's based on situation what type of error you are getting. Maybe it could be depend on the Windows update. So the reason, and you need to rectify your Windows updates first. Okay, now the fourth is, what is the better option if you're using Windows operating system, Hyper-V or a VirtualBox? So I would suggest for Windows users, you can use Hyper-V, because the Hyper-V is inbuilt, and this is specifically designed for Windows users. So you can use it, and if you want to use VirtualBox, this is also pretty good. You don't need to do anything. The options are very clear, and this is specifically VirtualBox is designed for running the multiple types of OS. You can use VirtualBox on Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, anywhere, but Hyper-V is limited. We can't use on multiple operating systems. Fine. So these are the things that you can try to figure out and you can try to resolve. So yeah, that's all. If you are facing any challenge, just comment me. I will try to resolve and will surely reply back to you. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.